Good morning everyone. This is the exercise 4.2 and this is the question number 2 in which they told us that solve the problem given in example 1. But here I would like to tell you that whatever we did in exercise 4.1, the problem sums of 4.1 in which they told us to only form quadratic equation, don't solve it. Now you can solve it by yourself by using splitting the middle term. So here you can solve that problem, and if you are having any query, any doubt, you can ask me. So this will be question number 2 and its sub question, that is first question. John and Javanti together. So together have 45 marbles, both of them lost 5 marbles each, and the product of the number of marbles they now have is 124. तो जैसे मैंने बताया, अगर ये सेम क्वेश्चन लीनियर इक्वेशन इन वन वेरिएबल में होता, देन व्हाट वी हैव गेसिंग द नंबर ऑफ अ मार्बल जॉन हैविंग एज x एंड जीवंती हैविंग y, and we will form one equation as x plus y is equals to 45. That was the our concept for the third chapter. But here we can't guess it in two variable because it is quadratic equation. So we are using one variable only. So हम इसे कैसे guess करेंगे, तो देखते हैं. The marble which John having and the marble which Jivanti having, and all together they make 45 marbles. Means if you are guessing it as means the number of a marble John having as x, so what number of marble Jivanti having? So we will say that Jivanti having whatever is total minus the number of marble which John having. So it will become 45 minus x. So here we will guess it in the form of statement that let the marbles John have, that we will guess it as x. So let the marble Jivanti have, that we will guess it as 45 minus x. So this is how we will use one variable only but in a different form. Both of them lost 5 marbles each. अब दोनों ने 5-5 मार्बल घुमा दिए. Means the concept was like that if John had earlier 20 marbles, suppose क्या कि अगर John के पास पहले 20 marbles थे, so Jivanti having how many marbles? So we will write it as 25 marbles. Okay, then only they are forming total as 45. अब न्यू सिचुएशन ये आई है that they both are losing 5 marbles each. दोनों ने 5 मार्बल खो दिए. So अगर इसके पास 20 marbles है और वो 5 मार्बल घुमा देगा, then he having 15 marbles. And similarly, if Jivanti having 25 marbles and if she is losing 5 marbles, so the marbles which she having right now, that will be 20. Means understood this concept, but this is the in the form of guessing. We actually have to find that only, but the concept is like that. So here we will again guess. So here we will guess that after losing 5 marbles, so situation will be new. So now what they having? So the marbles John have, that will be x minus 5. And similarly, Jivanti also losing 5 marbles. So we will write that earlier she having 45 minus x marbles and again she is losing 5 marbles. Then the concept will going 45 minus 5 will make 40. And this minus x will become as it is. So we having new data. After getting that new data, we will read it again. Both of them lost 5 marbles each. अगर दोनों ने 5-5 मार्बल खो दिए हैं, and the product, अगर हम इन दो का प्रोडक्ट ले रहे हैं, the number of marbles they now have is 124. Means here we have to form another statement that if you are multiplying x minus 5 and if you are multiplying 40 minus x, then the new data we are getting, that is 124. Now here we will simplify this. We will multiply. So here it will become 40 minus plus minus x into x, that will become x square. It is minus, it is plus, it will become minus. 4 5s are 20 and this 0 means 200, and this minus minus will become plus, and 5x are 5x and this will become 124. Now here we will simplify. First of all, this means 40x plus 5 means 45x, minus x we will keeping as it is, minus 200 as well as we are keeping as it is. But here we can see that it is our x square is in minus. So let us take it that side. So what will happen? So let me write over here. So it will become, in this minus will become and plus when we are taking this side. So अगर हम ये तीनों चीजों को इस साइड लेके जाएंगे तो all will change their sign, only the 124 having plus sign only. So here we will take, so it will become plus x square, then it will become plus 200 and this will become minus 45x, and 124 is that side only, so it will become 1 plus 124 and we will compare it with 0. So here we will simplify it more, so it will become x square plus middle term will be minus 45, so let us write, and the last term we will write in the form of constant, so we will write that 200 plus 124 will make 324 and that is equals to 0. So here we got our quadratic equation. Now we have to solve it. We having only one method right now, that is splitting the middle term, which we have to take out factors of it. So we will take factors of it and we will make possible pairs. By adding that two numbers we should get minus 45. So let us make 2 ones are 2, let us make it with 3, now let us make pair, that which by adding that number we should get minus 45. So let us make that pair. If we are doing 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, one pair if I am making, and 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. I made pair of these 3 and these 3, and we should add this and we should get 45 over there. So if we are adding 27 plus 12, so it will becoming 39. But here we want 45, so we will try as much as possible. हमसे जितना हो सकेगा we will try that to make that combo. So here we will make another combo. Means to teach you in that form I am making the different combo, because initially you will not get the answer. So here if we are making 3 2s are 6, so remaining will be 3 3s are 9 3s are 27 and 27 2s are 54. So here we got 54 and 6, so here if we are adding it we are not getting 45. So here this is how we have to make different combination. So let me make some another combination, that will be this. 3 3s are 9 3s are 27. So we have to make some different combination, so जिससे हमें हमारा आंसर इजी वे में मिलता है. Let us see. 3 2s are 6 and 3 2s are 6, 6 6 are 36, and here is 3 3s are 9. Let us make that combination. So here what we are getting, 9 plus 6, that will be 15 and raised to 1. 3 plus 1 will make 45. So here we got answer by making combination of these 4, means 3 3s are 9 2s are and that 2s are, and you can say 3 2s are 6 and 3 2s are 6, 6 6 are 36, and the remaining these 2 means 3 3s are 9. If we are making combination of it and we have to do plus of it, so we added also, but here we need sign of minus. So हम क्या करेंगे, हम दोनों को माइनस लगा देंगे, because माइनस माइनस will make plus only, यानी हमारा ऑपरेशन प्लस का ही होगा, but the symbol of the greater number, that will be minus 45, and we will write there x. Now on the place of this minus 45x we can write that splitted form, that is minus 36 and minus 9. So here we got our splitted term, but I show you the process that initially and eventually you will not get the answer, you have to make combination, then only you will get answer. So here we made combination of this and we are writing this and that is equals to 0. So now here we will use that method only, take out common. So here we will take x common, so it will remain x minus 36. As here we can see, अगर ये 3 3 9 है तो रिमेनिंग चीज ये है, यहाँ से पता चल जाएगा that 36 will remain, यानी we are taking minus 9 common, so here will remain x as well as it is 324 and we have taken minus common, so the sign will be changed. Most of the students are not doing this and they are making mistake over here. So here we will write that 36 only. If two brackets are same, write it as 1. So एक bracket पर हमने ये लिख दिया and write in another bracket x minus 9 and they both are equals to 0. Now here we have to compare it with 0, means here we will write x minus 36 is equals to 0 and here we will write x minus 9 is equals to 0. So here what we are getting, let us see. So x is equals to 36 and x is equals to 9. So here we got two values. Find out how many marbles they had to start with. Yani during the starting how many marbles that we have to find. So here we are not ending our question. We have to find out how many marbles they had to start with. So simple, I want to tell you that if one of them having answer as a negative, we will not consider it and we are considering only one which is positive. But here we got both the answer in a plus, means we have to write 4 statement actually, that what we will write, that if because we have guessed the number of a marble John having as x, तो अगर हम यहाँ पे guess कर रहे हैं, so here यहाँ पे लिखेंगे, so here if John having 36 marbles, so how many marbles Jivanti having? So here we will write, so therefore Jivanti having 45 minus 36, okay, means she having 9 marbles. So and if you are writing in another form, means if you are taking x, means number of a marble John having as 9, so you have to write that statement. So if John having 9 marbles, so Jivanti will having 45 minus 9 marble means 36 marble. I hope you understood the concept. यानी ये इनवर्स फॉर्म में आ रहा है, अगर जॉन के पास 36 मार्बल्स है तो जीवंती के पास 9 बचेंगे, और अगर हम दूसरे स्टेटमेंट की वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कर रहे हैं, so if John having 9 marbles, so Jivanti will have 36 marbles. But here as I told you both are plus, so we have to compulsorily write this all 4 statements, that what having what means John having if x marble, तो अगर हम x का वैल्यू यहाँ सब्स्टिट्यूट कर रहे हैं तो this value will be changed. Means if you are substituting 36, so here the answer will change, and if you are substituting 9 over here, this answer will again change. So you have to keep in mind. But if it is one number is in minus, so it is benefit for us, we don't have to write, because number of a marble can't be in negative form, so we have to consider plus only. So but here we got all the answer in a plus, so we have to write 4 statement. Here let me begin the second question. Second problem, sums of exercise 4.2. A cottage industry produce a certain numbers of toys in a day. Means here we have to guess one number that we already knowing. The cost of the production of each toy was found to be 55 minus the number of toys produced in day. ये स्टेटमेंट ये बता रहा है कि द कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन ऑफ ईच टॉय, यानी अगर एक टॉय बन रहा है तो उसका कॉस्टिंग वो क्या है, वॉज फाउंड टू बी 55 माइनस द नंबर ऑफ अ टॉयज प्रोड्यूस्ड इन डे. यानी अगर हमें ये पता करना है कि पर्टिकुलर एक टॉय की प्राइस क्या है, तो उन्होंने बोला है वो पूरे दिन में बनने वाले टॉयज की प्रोडक्शन से 55 माइनस होगा. ठीक है, मीन्स हियर वी हैव टू गेस. सो हियर वी विल गेस लेट. So here we will guess the cottage industry produce a certain number of toys in a a day, that will be in the form of x, and the cost of the production of each toy was found to be 55 minus. So the cost of the production of each toy was found to be 55 minus the number of toys produced in a day. यानी number of toys produce हो रहे हैं x, तो हमें 55 means 55 minus number of toys करना है. So here we will write that the cost of production of each toy in rupees, that will be 55, and they said minus number of toys को हमने x के फॉर्म में गैस किया है, so we write it as 55 minus x. Then we are reading the question. The number of toys produced in a day on a particular day, the total cost of production was, यानी ये सारा कुछ करने का खर्च आ रहा है, that is 750 rupees. So here when we are guessing कि अगर ये x के फॉर्म में है और उसका कॉस्ट 55 minus x के फॉर्म में आ रहा है, then finally we are getting the cost as 750 rupees. Now if we are solving it, we are getting over here that will be 55x and this will become minus x square, and then that is becoming 750. If you are shifting this thing that side, so ये x square plus में चला जाएगा and 55 will be in minus, so it will become minus 55x. 750 is it on its place, तो हमारा finally quadratic formula that we got is x square minus 55x plus 750. Now here we have to make combination of it, so we will use the prime factorization method, but here I will not use that smaller number and a larger number, whatever is convenient to me I am using it. So I am writing 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25 and that 0, 5 3s are 15 and that 0, 3 10s are, 5 2s are and 2 1s are. Now here we have to make combination. हमें ऐसा combination बनाना है, ऐसे दो नंबर का कॉम्बिनेशन बनाना है, that if we are adding it we are getting minus 55. So let us try. Means initially you will not get the answer, so मैं तुम्हें try करके बता रही हूँ. Like 5 5s are 25, 2s are, so it will becoming 50. 5 5s are 25, 2s are will become 50, and 5 3s are will make 15, and we have to add it. So here we got answer as 65. Means this combination will not run out. So here we will try some another combination. So if it is in this form, 5 5s are 25, okay, and 25 3s are, like that if we are trying, so the number will increase. We just want 55. So 55 2s are से 50 हो रहा है, तो 3s are से वो और बढ़ जाएगा, तो obviously we will not try. So here we will try that 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15, 2s are that will make 30. Means हमने ये दो का combination बनाया और ये तीन का, so this is making 25, this will make 30. So here we got answer as 55, and by adding it, but here we want minus, so हम क्या करेंगे, दोनों को minus करेंगे, because minus minus will make plus, यानी ये वाली condition satisfied होगी, and the symbol of the greater number that will be of 30, तो 30 minus में तो 55 will become minus 55. So here on the splitted form we will write that will be in the form of minus 25 and minus 30x and plus 75, and that is equals to 0. Now we have to take out common from it. So if we are taking x common, तो यहाँ पे बच जाएगा x minus 25. We have habit to make this both bracket same. तो compulsorily here if we are taking 30 common, so x will remain same, and if you have taken minus common, तो ये वाला sign change हो जाएगा, ये minus will become, this plus will become minus, means ये minus plus हो जाएगा और ये plus minus हो जाएगा, and we are taking 30 common, तो ये 25 बचेगा. We will recheck it again. X into x, x square, 25x, yes, 30 into x, 30x, and 30 25s are 25, 3s are 75, and this 0 means 750. And minus minus we also have to check, this minus minus will be plus. All things we have to check that we did everything proper or not, because only mistake of sign will change your answer. So here we got two brackets in, so we will write x minus 25, and in another bracket we will write x minus 30, and that is equals to 0. Now we have compare these things with 0. So we will get two values of x. So here I will compare x minus 25 is equals to 0. So x I am getting as 25. यानी अगर हम 25 यानी पूरे दिन में प्रोडक्शन नंबर ऑफ टॉयज का 25 है तो कॉस्टिंग कितना होगा, तो वी विल राइट दैट 55 minus 25. But under our second answer again it is x minus 30 is equals to 0. So here we are getting 30 और अगर x का वैल्यू हमने यहाँ 30 सब्स्टिट्यूट किया तो the cost will change. So here as I told you again we have to write four statement because our both the values are in plus. If it is in minus then it will be very beneficial for us because we have to write only one answer. But here we have to write two answers. So let us write. So here if we are writing number of toys produced in a day, if we are taking it as 25, अगर हमने यहाँ 25 लिया है तो the cost of production of each toy, the cost of production of each toy that will change. So it will become 55 minus 25. So here we are getting answer as 30. And vice versa, if we are changing the number of toys produced in a day, and that we are writing, which we will take on the place of x as 30. So if we are taking it 30 our answer, the second answer will change, means the cost will change. यहाँ पे लिख देंगे the cost of production of each toy in rupees, that will be 55 minus 30. So it will become 25 rupees. So here just note it down, one answer that is number of toys and another answer it is in rupees. So take care of that. I hope you understood.